right, and for the last part of our healthy eating discussion, I decided just to upload a very simple photo that is known as a healthy eating plate. So it basically just breaks up how we need to break up our meals into vegetables, fruits, whole grains, healthy protein, healthy oils, and water. So I'm not going to read this word for word because it's very descriptive photo, but for oils, we want to use healthy oils, and we want to limit butter and avoid trans fat. The more veggies, the better. The more variety, the better. And the better color, the better. And potatoes and French fries do not count as vegetables. Again, with fruits, all colors are great. With water, we want to drink water, tea, or coffee with little or no sugar. You want to limit milk and dairy. I know people think a lot of milk is good for you, but it's not the best for you. We want to limit it to 1 to 2 servings per day, and juice only about 1 glass per day. As far as whole grains, you want to eat a variety of them. So whole grain, whole wheat bread, pasta, brown rice. You want to limit refined grains like white rice and white bread. And then as far as healthy proteins, we want to choose fish, poultry, and beans. And like we discussed before, nuts are a great source of protein. Limit red meat and cheese, and avoid bacon, and processed meats are terrible. So there's just an overall view of how to start making your plate, and this will help you eat better. And if you meal prep, this can help you meal prep for the week.